Okay. The Tower Pros, these are the higher end Tower Pros. They work really good.
I didn't change these two.
Me neither, and I need to.
A little difficult, right?
That's a problem, yeah. Come on. Come on in.
Yeah, he had to go see his son. Do you still have that crop duster? How is that?
There you go. Hey, no tip.
Maybe I'm going to move down a little bit more so I can learn.
Yeah, that gear is so narrow.
It is narrow. That's the problem with those type of planes.
You have to be perfect every time.
Yeah.
And even then, all it takes is a breeze and you're tipped. Yeah. All right, going up.
Timer cleared.
Landing!
Gear up.
Oh wow, it just must have just gone through a dust devil.
Oh, nope, not landing. Going around.
We got some weird wind going on.
Nope.
Yeah, it's bouncing all over the place.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It goes pretty fast.
Especially if I get on it earlier.
Chris!
He didn't. He
You
didn't sit.
missed it!
That's perfect.
You missed it! You missed it!
Gotta call your landing.
Coming out! Clear!
Oh my God, it's hot.
It is hot.
Wear that hat.
Landing!
Well, the hat does help. Mine's helping. It's just, it's hot. And I've got pants instead of shorts.
Yeah, but if you had a straw hat,
That's
Time
true.
remaining 2 minutes.
Those things mess up my peripheral vision. I wasn't bad either, Frank. Well, other than that, never mind. Never mind. Of course he was looking then, right? It is bumpy. You know what the weird thing is about this plane? I had to put a mix that's reverse of what it normally is for aileron to rudder. So instead of going with the roll, you know how you normally put the rudder going with it, it goes opposite.
oh really?
Yeah.
I normally do that on my Warbird.
Warbirds usually need it, yeah. There you go again, Frank. It's a crosswind.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Whoa! I thought you were down. I didn't know you were doing a touch and go. You didn't say shit. I thought you were down. Good thing I had the reaction, Jesus.
It was either over or under.
Exactly, and I'm like, ugh.
Way better to go over.
Yeah. I saw the wings bend on that one. I gotta check the wing tube. crazy guy.
I'm sorry, I really am.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Weird wind.
10, 9, 8,
Alright, hurry up and land. I gotta come in too.
5, 4,
Jesus, it's knocking me all over.
2,
I didn't want to make that
One.
turn that wide.
time expired.
Love to put that setup in the yak. That'd be cool. You think it'd scream?
No, somebody did it. It doesn't work very good. And I don't know why.
Gear down.
It's because it doesn't have enough. It needs a cheater hole. Yeah.
It might, yeah. Okay, Frank, where are you? I gotta come in.
I am all the way to the left, to the right of the runway.
The Captain Robert
Landing!
and Pilot Robert and Captain Blige, they did it. Look at one of their videos.
That was a freewing one.
Oh, it was. This one's the FMS.
Yeah. This is still stock. So. Shut up.
All right.
3.2, it feels anemic though.
23.2?
Nice. So it stops pretty good. Did you have flaps down?
No, I didn't use any. Because it's too bumpy right now. I didn't want to deal with it. Because every now and then it'll buff it and do the bounces, and that kills it. So, what was it? You already have that. I can see the scrapes on the bottom. Ah, all right, short time.
Too hot.
It is hot.
So